have to be able to do it. This is really important. It's okay if you're in an environment where people empower you to do all these things for yourself. Hey superstars, welcome back to another video from your boy Sammy. And today I have something special for you guys. And I know you guys have been waiting for a while now, but I'm back. And you have to be able to do this. This is important. You have to be able to create unshakable belief for yourself. Unshakable belief. You know what I've realized over the years of talking to people and trying to inspire people? So many people don't believe in themselves. And I know they don't believe in themselves because they are always asking people to validate what you're doing. Hey, is this right? Should I do this? Should I go into this business? And that's okay if you're in a mentoring program where you have people, giving you positive vibes. But I realize most people don't believe in themselves. Even with their clothes. Is this shirt okay? Is this my hair okay? Is my watch okay? Is my makeup okay? Ladies, no one believes in themselves. You made a decision, why give me validation? Millionaires, billionaires, successful people, they have the tendency to believe in themselves, which means even though people don't like what you're doing, they don't care, they just don't care. If they believe in something, they do it. The Wright brothers, for example, who knew you could have airplanes flying, but they believed something like that could happen for them. Back then, people would say that's not even safe. How would you put a half a metal in the air for it to fly? It doesn't even make sense. But they believed in their intellectual abilities to make that happen for themselves. And it went. It happened. Someone believed that we'll have cell phones one day. Someone believed. It wasn't normal. Everyone doubted them, but they believed in themselves. Back then, you connect wires and all that to talk to somebody somewhere. But right now, everything is so wireless, right? So you just pick up your phone and I can talk to someone in China. What? How is that happening? It doesn't even make sense. What frequency is in the air that's allowing me to talk to someone and hear someone at the same time? The person who invented that, they believe in themselves. I'm sure everybody back then said, no, this is crazy. How are you going to do that? Is this magic? You have to create unshakable beliefs in yourself. You asked me, Sam, how do I believe in myself? That's a good question. You have to get up and go to your mirror. Get up, go to your bathroom and say, you know what, I believe in you. You know what I realized most people can do? They can look at themselves in their eye and say, I believe in you. You're gonna do it, you've done it, man. I believe in you, Sam, you can do it, you can do it. I believe in you, man. If no one else believes in you, I believe in you. I talk to myself every morning. Because the same thing as someone talking to me. It's like someone talking to me in the mirror. It's like seeing another person in the mirror, I know it's tough right now. I know things are not going the way it's supposed to go. But I believe you make this happen for you. I believe you make it happen. Talk to yourself every morning. Every morning. You can do it. Don't listen to the naysayers. I believe in you. And you need to scream. It has to be emotional. You might say that's weird. It works. It works. Because at the end of the day, you are the only person that can compliment or encourage yourself. Some of you, you're waiting on other people to tell you that you're beautiful, waiting on other people to tell you you dress nice, waiting on other people to tell you, oh, this looks good on you. But sometimes people will fail you. You'll say nothing. You work your ass off for your boss, and he takes all the credit and takes you back to work, like go back to work. And let me tell you why. It's not his responsibility to actually to make you feel good about what you just did. It's yours. It's your responsibility to give yourself confidence. It's your responsibility to make yourself feel good. It's your responsibility to make yourself feel at your best. It's your responsibility. Seriously. I'm saying this from the heart. Just go to your bathroom, and after this video, I want you to spend 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. Don't tell nobody because they'll think you're crazy. Just go to your bathroom, and I want you to shut the door. Look at yourself in the mirror. And some people will say, I don't want to look at myself. Yeah, I know. Some people will cry. I spoke to a young lady some other time, and she says she can't look at herself in the mirror. Like she never really saw herself in the mirror. All she does is do her makeup, blah, 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 and she's done. But never really saw herself in the mirror. And she tried this. And she was like, I cried the whole time I did this. Like, you need to stand in front of your mirror and say, Sam, I'm proud of you. The best way to believe in you is to start believing in you. Just 5 minutes. And I want you guys to put it in the comment section. Put it in the comment section. Let me know how you guys feel. Because this is emotional. It gets emotional at the point. So let me know what you guys feel. And click the like button. Share. Subscribe to the channel. Send this to a friend. Send this to someone who needs this. If you know that person, send it to that person. And I really appreciate it. We have a lot for you guys. A lot. And trust me, we're about to deliver. So just watch out. It's your boy Sammy once again. Much love. Peace.